If you're a student who loves the couch life, this is for you. Join me as I dive into 9 passive income ideas that actually work. Let's see if I can turn my couch potato lifestyle into some serious cash. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Look in the description below for wealth-building tools and income opportunities. Welcome back to Big Easy, where we're all about making your life simpler, more efficient, and hopefully, a whole lot wealthier. We're diving deep into the world of passive income, exploring 9 incredible strategies that practically run themselves. That's right, we're talking about building wealth and achieving financial freedom, all while putting in minimal effort. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or you're a seasoned investor looking for smart, hands-off ways to grow your wealth, this video is for you. We're breaking down each passive income idea step by step, giving you the knowledge and tools you need to start building a more secure and abundant financial future. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with a strategy that's close to my heart: real estate. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, offer a brilliant way to tap into real estate without the headaches of traditional property ownership. Imagine owning a slice of a shopping mall, a swanky apartment complex, or even a sprawling office building, all without lifting a finger. These companies own and manage income-producing real estate properties, and by investing in them, you become a shareholder, entitled to a portion of their rental income. The best part? REITs are incredibly hands-off. Plus, REITs are traded on major stock exchanges, making them easy to buy and sell. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio and generate passive income, REITs are worth exploring. Next up, we're diving into the world of dividend stocks, a classic strategy for generating passive income. When you invest in dividend stocks, you're buying shares of companies that share profits with investors. Dividends provide a steady stream of passive income, supplementing your earnings or funding early retirement. The company does the heavy lifting, generating profits and distributing them. It's like having a silent business partner ensuring a consistent cash flow. Dividend stocks are a reliable way to put your money to work for you. Let's shake things up a bit and explore the world of peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending, a revolutionary approach to investing that's disrupting traditional finance and empowering individuals to become lenders themselves. With P2P lending, you can lend money directly to borrowers and earn potentially higher returns. Instead of letting your spare cash languish in a savings account, you decide to lend it out through a P2P lending platform. P2P lending platforms act as intermediaries, connecting borrowers with lenders. Borrowers apply for loans, specifying the loan amount, purpose, and desired interest rate. Lenders browse through loan listings, assess the risk profiles of borrowers, and choose which loans to fund. As a lender, you earn interest on your investment, typically much higher than what traditional banks offer, while borrowers benefit from competitive interest rates and flexible loan terms. If you're comfortable with a bit more risk and are looking for potentially higher returns than traditional savings accounts or bonds, P2P lending could be a lucrative addition to your passive income portfolio. Chapter 4. Create an online course. Share your knowledge, earn passive income. Let's tap into the digital age and explore the exciting world of online courses. A fantastic way to monetize your expertise, share your knowledge with the world, and generate passive income while you're at it. Imagine this: you've spent years honing your craft, accumulating valuable knowledge and skills. Now, instead of keeping it all to yourself, you decide to package your expertise into an online course, making it accessible to a global audience hungry for practical, actionable information. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easier than ever to host, market, and sell your courses, handling all the technical aspects so you can focus on what you do best: teaching. Creating an online course requires an upfront investment of time and effort, but once it's up and running, it can generate passive income for months, even years to come. So, if you're passionate about teaching, eager to share your knowledge, and looking for a scalable way to earn passive income, creating an online course could be your ticket to success. Chapter 5. Write an ebook. Your words, your asset, your passive income stream. Let's unleash your inner author and explore the world of ebooks, a powerful medium for sharing your stories, insights, and expertise while generating passive income from your writing. Imagine this. You have a wealth of knowledge, a captivating story, or a unique perspective to share with the world. Instead of letting it gather dust in a drawer, you decide to craft your thoughts into an ebook, a digital book that can be downloaded and enjoyed by readers worldwide. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP make it incredibly easy to self-publish your ebook, reaching millions of potential readers on the world's largest online bookstore. Writing an ebook requires dedication, creativity, and a knack for storytelling, but once it's published, it can generate passive income for years to come. So if you've always dreamed of becoming an author, sharing your story, or monetizing your writing, the ebook world awaits. Unleash your inner wordsmith and watch as your words transform into a passive income stream. Chapter 6. Affiliate Marketing. Recommend, Promote, Earn. The power of affiliate marketing. Let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing, a performance-based marketing strategy that allows you to earn passive income by promoting other companies' products or services. Think of it as becoming a digital word-of-mouth marketer, recommending products you love and getting rewarded for every successful referral. You partner with a company that offers an affiliate program, typically businesses selling products or services online. You receive a unique affiliate link, which you can share on your website, blog, social media platforms, or through email marketing. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission, typically a percentage of the sale. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its passive income potential. Once you've created your content and shared your affiliate links, you can continue earning commissions even when you're not actively promoting the products. Focus on products you genuinely believe in, align with your niche, and resonate with your target audience. So if you're passionate about sharing your recommendations, building an online community, and earning money while you sleep, affiliate marketing could be your ticket to passive income success. Chapter 7. Rent out a room. Turn your spare space into a passive income stream. Let's bring it back to basics and explore a classic passive income strategy that's been around for ages: renting out a spare room in your home. Whether you have a spacious guest room, a finished basement, or even a comfortable couch to spare, turning your unused space into a rental property can be a lucrative way to generate extra income with minimal effort. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO handle the bookings, payments, and even provide host protection insurance, making the process seamless and secure. Renting out a room requires some initial setup and ongoing maintenance, but it can be a rewarding way to generate passive income, meet new people from all walks of life, and turn your home into a profitable asset. So, if you have a spare room, a passion for hospitality, and a desire to earn extra income, consider turning your unused space into a passive income stream. Chapter 8. High-yield savings accounts. Watch your money grow while you sleep. Let's talk about a passive income strategy that's as simple as it gets: high-yield savings accounts. While they might not make you rich overnight, they offer a safe and reliable way to earn a higher return on your savings, compared to traditional savings accounts, putting your money to work for you even while you sleep. The key to maximizing your earnings with high-yield savings accounts lies in shopping around for the best interest rates, comparing fees and minimum balance requirements, and choosing a reputable financial institution with a strong track record. While high-yield savings accounts might not offer the same potential for high returns as riskier investments, they provide a safe and reliable way to earn passive income on your savings, outpacing inflation and gradually growing your wealth over time. So, if you're looking for a low-risk, low-maintenance way to put your money to work for you, high-yield savings accounts are a solid option. Chapter 9. Automated online businesses. Build a money-making machine that runs on autopilot. Let's step into the future of passive income with automated online businesses, digital enterprises designed to generate revenue with minimal human intervention, allowing you to earn money while you sleep, travel, or simply enjoy life on your terms. From e-commerce stores to membership sites, the possibilities for building an automated online income stream are endless. The beauty of automated online businesses lies in their scalability and efficiency. Once you've set up the systems and processes, your business can run on autopilot, generating revenue even when you're not actively working on it. Building an automated online business requires upfront effort, technical know-how, and a willingness to learn and adapt, but the rewards can be life-changing. So if you're tech-savvy, entrepreneurial, and dream of building a business that generates passive income while you sleep, the world of automated online businesses awaits. Start building your passive income streams today. There you have it, 9 incredible passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom and design a life you love. Start small, focus on one strategy at a time, and gradually build your passive income streams over time. Thanks for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making your life easier. Let's make life easier together. Congratulations, you made to the end of the video. Here's the bonus tip that we promise. Hate working weekends but still want extra cash? Here's a golden nugget for you. Recap our 9 passive income ideas and start earning with minimal effort. From rental properties to online courses, it's all possible. Dive in and watch your money grow. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.